Lost again. Once we realized we were missing out on a huge chunk of revenue, we knew we had to fix the problem. Our first solution? Hiring an answering service. But to our dismay, they were worse than we imagined. More than half the time, they didn't even pick up the phone. We thought it was just that one service. So, we switched. And switched again. And again. 5 times. Each time, it was the same story. Poor service, high costs. One company charged $5 a minute. Another seemed like a bargain at $4 a minute, and then we found one for $1.35 a minute until we realized we were just throwing money away with poor results. Our revenue wasn't growing. These answering services just took down the number and didn't know how to answer any of the questions of the incoming callers. That was no help. It just wasted our time. Time we didn't have. After 5 disappointing services, we tried an automated solution. Less expensive, yes, but the programming? So complicated, we couldn't even finish setting it up. By then, we knew that something had to change. The good news is, you don't have to make the same mistake we did of wasting time, hard-earned money, and most of all, the precious leads who are calling in from your ads, your website, your Google business profile, and your Yelp listing, seeking your help to solve their problems, and are ready to pay you. Because we have had the luxury of coming across a partner, a service that changed everything for us. Already thoroughly programmed, with nothing for us to do. This solution we found answered every single call, not some, but all. This automation solution answered questions, booked appointments, and cost far less than the alternatives we tried before. This partnership has been a game changer for us. It brought us more business, happier clients, and repeat revenue. And we're so excited about what it has done for us, we'd love to share it with you. But before we get to that, let's take a look at what we learned on this journey. You can actually check samples and get a taste of the capabilities on our site callstobooked.com. On behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Olivia at callstobooked.com. Connect with us on LinkedIn to learn more about recovering lost revenue and bringing in more new patients without having to spend more on advertising in order to capture attention. Reply, calculator to know exactly how much revenue you are losing.